Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. So today we are just going to continue from where we stopped. In the previous video we drafted this pattern for a Milkmaid top. So in this video now we are just going to transfer to the fabric just like you see now, then we'll cut and stitch together. Now I already transferred the pattern to the fabric and I cut out each and every of the pattern with 0.5 seam allowance all round. So where I'm supposed to cut to, I cut two of the fabric, and at the same time I cut the lining as well, all for the pattern. So, and as for this cup area, remember I cut 4 because I'll be using the fabric as the lining also. So this is the front pattern. Just like I told us, you can cut, unfold, and you can also cut pieces if you want to be having a zip or button in the front. So this is the side front. I have 2 lining as well, and at the same time 2 fabric. So what you want to do is join the front pattern together like so, just like the way I arrange, and you do the same thing for the main fabric as well. Okay, the same thing goes to the back. And as for this cup area, as you can see, I already add my seam allowance to the base, and because we will need to gather this place to give it our ruffles, that's why we have excess. And at the top here I added 0.5 inches. You can add as much as 1 inch. Okay, this will help you fold that part so that you can insert the rope or the elastic inside. Okay, so but I added 1 inches here in case I don't know yet what exactly I want to do there, but I'll need it. So on the other part of the pattern I added 0.5 inches all through, and it is the same on the lining too. Okay, now I already joined the cup area together. This is for one side. Then this center part I turn it inward. Okay, there's no need of running any stitch on that part. So now I already pull the thread on this one to give the gathers or the ruffles effect. As you can see, I believe we know how to pull threads. Okay, you just pick the upper thread and you pull gently. Okay, just like way I'm doing. So I will repeat the same process for the second part of the cup. Now remember I said you need to measure where you cut out the cup. Okay, if you watched the previous video you will know what I mean. Can you see how puffy it is? This will enable you have a room for your bulbs. Okay, now on the center like this for the front you have to fix the cup, okay, from the center to the sides, leaving about 1 to 1.5 inches or at the top, because that is where you'll be joining your sleeve. Okay, just a little space to join it together. Then make sure you demarcate the upper part and the lower part so that you don't mix things up when you are joining or when you're about to join to the bodies. Do you understand? And remember I said you should measure whatever you have, so this will enable you to just know where exactly you should stop by the time you are pulling threads. So it will just give you the accurate measurements needed. Now I already joined the cup to the front. I cut the strip of fabric, okay, longer than the normal measurement so that I'll have excess as the rope to tie the front part, as you can see. Okay, you see how it is. Then you now tie the rope the way you want it. Okay, so that is that about the front. So the next thing I want to do now is to join the lining, to turn it the lining. So the way I'll be turning it, just watch carefully. Okay, the way I'll be turning it, it will be leaving the cup area. Okay, I'll just be joining to that side to cover the stitch, the rough edges. Okay, so just watch closely the way I'm doing it. You have to put the lining and the fabric together. Okay, the center touching the center, because the way you'll be stitching it, you'll be turning the fabric. Okay, you flip the lining forward like so. Okay, then you bring it closer, center, touching the center. Did you see? I hope you guys understand the way I'm explaining. Then you now join all through. You will join the sides and you will join the base also. Okay, I'll take it once again. You can just secure with a pin. You start from the center. Just follow the way and the shape you have on your lining and your fabric. Okay, you stitch it in a way that will secure the rough edges. Do you understand? And you stop at the top like so, and you do the same thing on the other side too. You join these two sides and you join the base. Okay, this is what it will look like. It actually look funny, but guess what, it's going to come out well. So this is what I have, as you can see. So the next thing now is to turn it from this opening. You're going to be having an opening here. Remember I said you'll be joining your sleeve to that part, so that will be the only opening you have left. Okay, and you're going to be turning it out from that part. Just watch what I'm doing, and this area you need to be careful when you're doing it. So guys, thanks for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell beside it so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Like and share this video. If you have any comments, any requests, you can kindly drop in the comment section. Thank you. So guys, this is what we have at the end. As you can see, after everything, we have a nice outcome. Okay, this is what we have. So the next thing I want to do now is to join the back pattern. This area is where you join the sleeve. Okay, remember I said you should leave about 1 to 1.5 inches. Okay, now this is the back pattern. I have two sides definitely, and I'll be fixing this zipper to it. Okay, the zipper is kind of longer, but I'll be cutting it out at the top. Now I already work on the sleeve. Sorry, I skipped that part. What I did was that I cut the inches that I want to use for the shoulder and also for the wrist, and I impute it in my sleeve. So this part, remember, this is where you join your sleeve. Okay, and you do the same thing on the other side for both front and the back. Okay, after joining it and you're very sure that you have your accurate measurement, you can now trim off the excess. So the next thing you want to do now is to take the body circumference, like the waist, the bust, and also the hip. Remember, it's a full scale top. So guys, this is what we have at the end. Okay, it's not a must you make a full scale top like this one. You can always make it a crop top that you rock on your high waist jean, and you can always make it like this one here. Can you see how neat it is? I like it already. So you can always make it the way you prefer. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video to this moment. I really appreciate it, trust me. So if you have any requests, a question, comment, whatever, you can always drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to read them all. Okay, so guys, you can find me on Instagram at 401 styling, on Facebook 401 styling, on TikTok 401 styling. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. So like this video, share to your friends, tell your friends about this channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. It's really important so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you later in my next video. Bye.